Matt with Greensward again. We're going to talk about mowing clippings. I get a lot of questions, hey, should I collect my clippings? Should I let them go? Like, what's the best thing to do? And to me, it's a personal preference. If you like your lawn nice and clean, no clippings, then you bag them up and you dispose of them. The other side of the coin is within these clippings are nutrients. So if you leave them here, then those nutrients will go back in the ground. So one thing you can do is if you have the clippings here, what these are is there's nutrients in these leaf blades. And if you let them go, the nutrients will then go back into the ground and help the grass plants. Again, there's an ecological way that you might want to look at it or a clean way. Really, it's kind of up to you on what you want to see. They do make some good mulching mowers now, and that's designed just to chew these up even more, so that way you don't see these as much. If you're mowing consistently, you probably won't have as many clippings. I would not let them kind of bunch up because you don't want it to hurt your turf, but if they're scattered around, you know, that's all that is nutrients going back in your soil. So again, a couple choices, bag them up and clean them up, or you can let the nutrients within these leaf blades go back in the ground and help your grass plants. Just another way to keep it green.